Well, after many years of thinking about it, I've finally got round to buying myself a Lightbox. Doesn't look like this when you first get it. It looks like this instead. However, these were designed mainly for tracing, which means they expect you to work through a couple of sheets of paper, one with the design on and one with the sheet you're going to trace on. So it's actually quite bright if you use it bare. So I've stuck, you see the tape there, I've stuck a couple of sheets of paper just to cover it. It diffuses the light, gets rid of that horrible pattern on it, and I find that much better. I can look at that and work much easier than looking at it without anything on. So why would you use one of these? Well, when you're glass painting, quite often you miss tiny little bits, and you'll often see me when I'm doing something lifting it up and moving it around, trying to find the bits I've missed. This shows up much clearer. Any bits, any little gaps, any places where you haven't got it next to the outliner. I will say the other benefit of this paper, or putting paper on it, apart from the fact it diffuses the light, makes it not so strong, if I get any paint on it, after a while I can replace this paper with a clean set. It'll be just like new. Now, I don't expect you to be able to see, but this is giving me a much clearer indication of where I painted and where there are any gaps. This is rather good. I wish I'd done it years ago. It might be my eyesight, of course, but I'm certainly leaving more gaps than I used to, and this will show up any gaps straight away so I can get rid of them as I work. Now, it's only A4 in size. I got it off eBay. Now, that means I can certainly do all of my smaller pieces on it. You can buy larger versions as well. It's totally flat, so there's no problem with it making your paint run. And I must say, I'm quite impressed. So it came from eBay. It's quite cheap. In UK money, it was under £12, including P&P. I think it's a worthwhile investment. It's certainly going to help me with my work, and you'll see me using it a lot more from now on. Or you'll see me using it. You haven't seen me using it before. If you're having problems with gaps in your work, think about giving it a go. Happy crafting.